I'm Don. Today I'm showing you the painting of the red glow and the green armor of this Typhus miniature. While I show you the painting, we'll talk about procrastination and how you battle it. Oh, also, this miniature will be shipped to one lucky subscriber. However, you have to comment on this video. This Typhus is my 40k subs milestone giveaway. I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. Also, special thanks to the Army Painter for making this video possible. Today we talk about procrastination when it comes to miniature painting. This miniature is the perfect example of procrastination. It took me a while before I started working on this mini. I announced this giveaway when I was my subscribers were like 39,000, I think. And then now we're at 45,000. So I really had to finish this after the weekend. I procrastinated so much and I left this aside or I did not really start the painting of this miniature for a long while, even though I need to paint it so that I could give you this raffle and ship this to one lucky subscriber. We usually procrastinate when we are about to start a miniature painting project, when we're undecided with the color scheme or we are undecided with the painting technique that we want to do on the miniature. This is the main reason why slop chop like dry brushing and then painting with transparent paints became so popular, or I guess it's still popular. Dry brushing your miniature with black and white, like dark gray and then light gray and then eventually white, is the best way, especially if you don't have an airbrush, to start painting your miniature. However, in this video, you saw that I used my airbrush, and by painting the red glow immediately with an airbrush, I was able to jumpstart the painting of this miniature. So it's a matter of selecting the painting process that you want to do that you think you will enjoy when it comes to starting painting a miniature. It could be like slop chop, dry brushing, value sketching, or airbrushing the main colors, the armor in this case, or airbrushing the skin so that you jumpstart the project. A minor factor when it comes to jumpstarting your project, a minor factor if you're painting Warhammer is to select your color scheme. If you're choosing the default color scheme of a specific character, that will be easy to start. However, if you're painting like a 3D printed miniature, it's kinda a little bit more difficult. You have to define your color scheme. Once you define your color scheme, it's important that you pre-select your colors or your paints that you want to use on your project. If you do not pre-select your colors or paints, it's so much hassle like finding a color that you want to use in the middle of painting. It will kill your momentum. Once you have pre-selected your colors, it's a matter of just preparing your materials and your tools like your brushes, your airbrush, and everything that you need while painting the miniature. Another tip to battle procrastination is that you start with the main colors of your project. Like you see in this video, we started with the red glow, and after painting and refining the red glow a little bit, we are now about to paint the green armor. The reason why you want to paint the main parts of your miniature, the main color scheme of your miniature, and the biggest part, like for example, you're painting a miniature with lots of skin, I highly recommend you start with the skin. And then if your miniature like this one has a lot of armor, you start with the green armor. Now for me, I get lazier when I'm painting a miniature. Like I get lazier as I paint the details. So I like starting with the main color because I'm very patient when painting the armor or the skin, and it will look really good. When I'm about to paint the details and the other parts of the miniature, I'm lazier because I'm not really aiming for a competition standard painting. It's just that you just need the video. So when you painted like the main parts of the miniature and I could edit the video already, I get lazier. I think it's the same with you guys. So once you painted the main part of the miniature, it's a matter of just painting the other parts, the minor parts and the details. Once you painted the main parts of the miniature, like here, the red glow and the green armor, as well as you can, or as well as the time you allotted on the painting of the miniature, you could get away with more impatient painting of the detailed parts or the other parts or minor parts of the miniature. Now we are finished, but basically the longer version of this painting project will be at Patreon. Now you see in the video, I'm just painting the other parts of the miniature. So after painting the red glow and of course the green armor, we're just painting the ooze, which is like neon green. And then after that, it's a matter of just painting the other parts of the miniature. Now, at this point of the painting of your miniature, you don't really need to worry about what colors you plan to use on the details of the miniature. Since you nailed like the main parts already or the main colors, it's a matter of just filling in all the other details and painting the non-metallic metal and the other parts of the miniature. And it won't overwhelm the whole project because you painted the main colors already. Now, at this point of the project, it's a matter of like deciding how much time you want to spend on the painting of the rest of the miniature. I think it took me a couple of days to paint the red glow and the green armor. And then the painting of the other parts of the miniature, I think it took me just one day. So it's really up to you. With this one, I think I spent roughly around 20 hours or 3 days on the painting of this mini. Now, before our final thoughts, a ton of thanks to all you guys, my viewers, and my patrons at Patreon. And of course, special thanks to Army Painter for making this video possible. Now for the giveaway. If you want to join the raffle for this Typhus, you need to comment Typhus. Like just type Typhus and whatever comment you want to add to your comment at the comment section below. And your comment in this video and the video that I announced this giveaway, I will combine and of course do the raffle. Oh, also, if you think that giveaway or this giveaway is a good thing, do tell me at the comment section below if you want me to do giveaways every time we hit a milestone. I guess our next milestone would be 50K. I'm not really sure how fast or how slow we will reach that milestone, but if you tell me that it's really nice if we have these giveaways, I'll prepare a miniature for that milestone. Oh, lastly, I'll be setting up my first Kickstarter. It's just an STL Kickstarter very soon, so stay tuned for that announcement. Now let's go back to the topic, procrastination. So to eliminate or battle procrastination, choose your color scheme and pre-select your colors. At the same time, you have to decide on what painting process that you want to do, that you like to do on a miniature. It could be slop chop or airbrush or whatsoever painting process. Once you've defined your color scheme and selected your painting process, and of course pre-selected your colors, it's now a matter of just painting the main parts of the miniature. After painting the two main parts or two main colors of the miniature, it's now just a matter of painting the other parts, the minor parts of the mini. So it's all up to you on the amount of time you want to spend on the painting of the main parts and of course the minor parts. Don't forget to comment to join the raffle. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Do like, subscribe, and all that stuff because it helps the channel a lot. And until my next video, guys. Bye! If you like this video, you might like these other videos.